Australia. Hey everybody. We got a personal gold label box for Andy Cap here in the room. Good luck. Gold label. I'll just notate if you hit any class 3s or numbered stuff, of course. Okay. Another Danny who might live in Canton. Is there such a thing? I feel like we're way too zoomed in here. Okay, 1, 1, 1. There's a Trey Turner 3 on the variation and a Kershaw 2. More ones. 2, 1, pink bat. I've never noticed that on Machado, but it must be there. Must be there. Class 3 DeGrom. DeGrom. 2 and 2. There's another Turner 1. Donaldson Frank. DJ 2. Nothing numbered yet. I might have skipped it, so I'll check. Ichiro 2. Willie Mays, base. Giancarlo, base. There's a Kemp and a Cueto. I must have missed the colored parallel here. Probably upside down. Let's see. Nothing yet. No numbered parallel. All base. Maybe it's in with the auto. Let's see. Could be underneath this one. There's one more base before the auto. Huh. Whole bunch of Trey Turner. Jeez, 4 Trey Turners in that stock. No red. You have a black frame, though. Black frame. It could be a 101 frame. It's either black or 101. Oh my god, it's Turner. Damn, black out of 50. Nice freaking box. Well, that explains why there's so many Trey Turners there. Black frame, 39 out of 50. Beautiful auto. One of the best ones you can hit out of the product. Nice hit, Andy. Might be worth it to have a grade at that. There's a Nick over there. That little smudge came off. Pretty nice looking card. And it's a rookie. I might actually think about grading that. There is a Nick right next to the right of the light circle you can see there. But that might still just bring the surface to a 9, so it could still gem at 9.5. Totally up to you. I don't know if that's necessarily worth grading, but it is a rookie and it's beautiful. Damn. Yeah, I'll give it a good clean inspection. Nice card. Couple Turners on there. I'll get you $5-10 out of ComC too for that base. Not too shabby. You got $5-10 worth of base and then the nice black Turner. Yeah, it definitely explains why there's no numbered card in there. Still should give you one. Let's see, Turner black frame gold label auto. Let's just see what they're going for. Looks like about 70 to 75 bucks, Andy. I made you money off a box. I made you money off a box. You've got to think at minimum you've got 60 bucks out of the Turner and then $10 a base. So yeah, you made money. That will be a plus sign on the profit sheet. If we grade it and it gems, there are literally none of them graded. So that'll probably bump it to 85 to 100. Probably 100 if it gems. It's a nice card. Cool. Let me add all that into the box. Actually, let me put a sleeve on that. First time for everything. Exactly. Well, look, we'll see how your Spectra does over the next couple days at auction. Maybe I'll wind up making you money twice in 1 week. Now that, my friend, would be crazy. Okay. Apparently, Daniel, man,